Okay, so the next task we need to get done is tomorrow. I'm going up to Vallejo, so I need to go and visit. I need to visit a carpet company and a countertop company. So can you please make a list of granite companies and carpet companies, and you can pretty much just do this. So sorry, every time I said granite, completely scratch that word. I really meant countertop company. So then here's some right here. Here's a list. You can double check, make sure it's in Vallejo or the surrounding area. It's like Vallejo down to here. Even these areas even might work too. So if you just make a list starting with Vallejo first, and then anything else in any other city, just make a note that it's not in Vallejo so I know. But cabinet flooring outlet, da da da. Except for Lowe's, we won't be using Lowe's. We're just going to use Granite Store, this cabinet outlet, skip Lowe's, use kitchen cabinet, the Granite Store, you can use those. If you can make a list of that, and then also I need a carpets company or installation. So see, there's a bunch in Vallejo already. Lopez Flooring, Old Town Flooring. You can make a list of those, and if you have to, you could even go over here in the Pleasant Hill area. But just again, make a note that it's in Pleasant Hill, not in Vallejo. But I think there should be plenty enough in here. So try to get like 10 of each one, or try to get like 15 of each one. And then another thing I'm gonna need is landscapers. So again, make another list of about 15 of these people in the Vallejo area. And then for landscaping, if there's not like 15, then you can also try the Pleasant Hill area. But then also you can find something on Craigslist too. But that should be enough. Pretty much on here should really be enough. All right, so I need those three things. I need about 15 of them. And then I need them to have it ready tonight so I could be, because I'm going to Vallejo tomorrow. So when I go to Vallejo, I need to have it available. And then also make the Excel sheet editable. Or you can make me also an owner on it, whatever you want to do. But I just need to be able to edit the document. All right, thanks.